Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. In last videos, I explained about general specifications of the structure, flooring, brick masonry, foundation, plastering, roofing. What is the general specification? So what is the ratio? What is the mix of PCC bed? What is the mix of RCC columns? Mix for beams. So these are all explained in the previous classes, general specification according to your class of buildings. Okay. And in this lecture 9 of unit 1, we'll see detailed specifications. Detailed specification, which gives you detailed description of the various items of work, laying down the quantities, qualities of materials, their proportions, the method of preparation, workmanship, and execution of work. What is detailed specification? See, in general specification, overall, we studied PCC ratio 1:4:8, like that. So in this detailed explanation, detailed specifications, we have various items like columns, beams, plastering, flooring. By giving you quantities, what are the quantities required for RCC columns? What is the mix ratio? What is the quality of material? See, flooring, are you going to use granite or marble stone? If there are different type of qualities in the material, see the ceiling items and electrical items, and you have detailed specification in the drawing. You will have each item, you will have quantity and material description and workmanship. This is also very important for you. See how many labor required, skillful or unskilled worker. See, these are all will come in detail specifications. What are the various items? Item by item. PCC bed, foundation, plinth beam, columns, beams, slabs, plastering, finishing, plastering, painting. So these are all various items with their qualities, with their proportionals and quantities. These clear information you will get in detailed specification. What is the type of flooring? What is type of finishing? So these are various items available in the detailed specifications. Here, these are specification vary with project, like for residential building, commercial building, multiplex, industrial building, like that, bridge or machine, whatever it may be. Specifically, you will have that detailed specifications in the, you see, any proposed project like building, okay, bridges, or in contract documents. Generally, this is very useful in contract documents, architectural projects. Specifications are art of the contract documents included with the bidding and construction requirement and the drawings. So in the drawings, what are the construction requirement? First one is how to organize specifications. These are one of the important point, organization of the specifications. And what is the type of specification? See, painting, which type of painting you require? See, Kutti, Lappam, or on that one texture. There are different types of paintings. So type of specification. Okay. See, methods of specification. See, it is manual or machine or equipment. What are you going to use in the specification? Suppose RCC mix, column mix. What is the method? Manual or machine equipment? So in the detail specification, you will have all these type of requirement and specific type of language used for writing of specification. See, in technical terms are important in writing specification. See, there is a lot of difference in the writing of specification. Language very important. One word may change your total specification. Okay, suppose simply you say, yeah, tiles. So in tiles also there are different types of quality. You have to mention that one. Language is important. So and so. See, in tiles flooring, suppose there are several types of flooring. For laying different types, you may have shapes. In you might have observed in tiles also you will have different type of designs. So this is very important in the drawings. Okay, in next slide we will see some more details. What is the purpose of specification? See, specification should be describe the type of quality. See, always it should be describe the type of quality. Very important. See, not only quality, that product, brand name, important. You will have different types of brands in tiles, various types of brands in types or sanitary items, electrical items. So specification is very important in this area. It should be describe the requirement of fabrication, erection, application, installation, and finishing. In detail, specifications, the requirement of fabrication. Suppose elevation is work is there, so fabrication work is required. Erection. See, suppose one architecture statue or architecture pillar column is required in your building. How to erect? What application? The application of that item. Installation. This is also very important. Properly you have to install and finishing, and it should be the finishing should be very clear. The specification should be describe the quality workmanship necessary for project. Workmanship also very important. This include all phases of creation and installation, starting with manufacture, fabrication. Okay, so these are all. What is the purpose of the specification in detail? Specification, the application, installation, finishing, and adjustment. Specification should be include necessary codes and standards applicable to the project. See, we have different type of code books, Indian standard, international standard code books for different various items of the works for different type of structures. See, what are the different of structures we discussed? See, maybe different multi-storied skyscrapers, tall buildings, high-rise building, residential building, commercial building. So all building in different type of buildings, you will have various items of works like flooring, plastering, ceiling, everything. So for each one, there's one code book is available. According to code, you should include the all these specification. See, alternative method also you have to include in the procedure, materials, product, services also required. The specification and project manual also you have to provide. In the contract documents or bidding documents, construction requirement, construction drawings and specifications, you will see all these. In the project manual, this detailed specification are written. In the next video, we'll see some more topics related to these detailed specifications. Thank you.